Why am I showing you a video of a spinning fan? This particular fan is made by an Australian company called Aeratron. We absolutely love this fan. It's very quiet. It comes with, I believe, 8 different speeds, and you can rotate and reverse the flow of air through its included RF remote. So it's a bit on the pricey side, but it is definitely worth every penny. It's quite easy to install, and it comes with an accessory that lets you swap the front faceplate out with an LED light if you need lighting on top of blowing air.